What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I created this fall glam look, and I did use two palettes in this tutorial. I used the Ray of Sunshine by Colourpop, and I also did use like two colors out of this palette, which is the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette, which if you guys don't have like a good orange shade or a glitter shade, then ignore this and you can just use the oranges you have. But this is what I had in hand, so I decided to use it. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to take out of the Little Ray of Sunshine palette by Colourpop is Vibey. I'm taking that on a Morphe R40 brush, an amount of that, and I'm going to place this shade right in my transition area. And just going circular motion, windshield wiper motions. Also, I did prime my lids with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 2. That stuff is literally amazing. Like, it just cancels out all the discoloration out of my eyelid. It just makes everything just blend and pop out so smoothly. It's insane. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Sunnies. I'm taking that shade on a M433 brush. The only thing with these shadows is that they're so powdery. Placing that in my crease. I'm really sorry, but I am gonna dip in my Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. And I am gonna take the shade Story. This is in the matte formula. I just need a really good orange, and that palette has a beautiful orange, and I want to use it for this look. That's the only thing that's missing from this palette is an orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my JH33, and now I'm gonna place this with Sunnies directly in the crease. I'm dipping back in and grabbing more of Story. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M433 brush, taking Sunnies again, and blend out this slime we have. Go ahead and take more Story. Start going circular motions. Now with my J2 e.l.f. x J Kessa brush, I mix the two shades Chillin' and Sun Giant with these two shades right here. Pack it on the flat side of that brush, and this shade is gonna go directly in our outer V. I'm gonna take Story again and mesh these shades together. Going in with a more detailed brush, this is the M562 brush. Taking Giant and Sunnies together and blending out the edges out here. Going in the inner corner of my lid. Now with a flat brush, this is my JH43, taking again Chillin' and Sun Giant and applying these two shades closely onto my lower lash line. Taking Story and blending out this lower lash line. Now with the excess product of Sunny's, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out right here. You don't need to add more shadow. It's really not necessary. So I'm taking my P. Louise eyeshadow base and I'm gonna clean up the inner corner of my lid, doing it like a semi-cut crease. Now with the flat P. Louise brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take Suns Out, this white shade right here, and I'm gonna set that inner corner that shadow. I want this to be bright. And I'm going ahead and adding a little bit of Stories on that outer edge. Then I'm going back in with Sunny's, adding a little bit to this edge as well. Just tapping. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so for my eyeliner, I did use my Haus Labs liquid liner in the shade Punk, and I did line my upper and lower waterline with the Haus Labs liquid liner, also in the shade Punk. The next step that we have to do is the glitter. So I'm using my NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer. I love this stuff. And I'm taking like a little dollop of that in the back of my hand and using a winged liner brush. Anyone will work. This is the one I have handy and it's not dirty. This is the Morphe Times Madison Beer collection. So I'm going to take a little bit of that in the back of my hand. I didn't find any loose glitters. I thought I had some, but I was mistaken. So all I'm going to use is Story in the glitter formula. And I'm going to dip my brush into that, wipe off any excess I may have, and just grab that. And I'm going to go ahead and start mapping up where I want to place this. Next up is I'm going to add my mascara and eyelashes and I'll come back with the completed look. Okay, so this is the eyes all completed. Some nice lashes. I did use the Baddie B lashes in the style Plastic. I feel like it did not cover up this eyeshadow at all. It just gave it some good wispiness to let all these colors shine through. Alright guys, so that is the completed look, and if you guys do want to know what's on my face and what's on my lips, I always list everything that I use in the description box below, so feel free to check that out. And if you guys did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also let me know if you guys want me to do September's favorites, like my makeup favorites. I know a lot of people don't do this video or that type of videos anymore, but I feel like they're so much fun to watch, especially to see what other people love during like those months. So if you want me to do a video like that, also give me a thumbs up so I will know to do one. And also make sure to hit that bell to get notified anytime I upload, and also make sure to subscribe before you leave. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and please stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!